Hey, welcome back to our videos. This is one in a series of many. This one here is all we're doing here, guys. We're just going to be creating a simple access control list, very basic. What it does is just tells the list just to deny any packets that are coming from this host. So we need to go ahead and find a host. We'll choose this host, 172.16.33.3. Don't choose one because that's the gateway. First thing we need to do, we need to create the list. So we'll go up to the router. We've got to obviously enable, then go into the configuration mode. Use config T, enter. So the first thing we want to do is create the access control list. So this is going to be done in a two-part. Next thing we type in is access-list 10. So it's going to be list 10. And what we want to do is we want to deny the host, and you remember the number? It was 172.16.33.3. That'd be the host that we chose down here in the right hand corner. And the next thing we do after that, just go ahead and hit enter. So what we've done is we've created an access list. Well, to be truthful, we could create 20 access lists. Unless we have something specific we are going to do with those access lists, they're pretty much useless. So what we're going to do with this one is we are going to add it to a fast Ethernet F00 port. Okay? So the next thing we want to do is, if you want to turn over to page 511, you remember when we configured our fast Ethernet? It's going to be similar to that. You can stay where you're at because we're just going to go into the INT. F0/0. You guys familiar with that? Now resist the urge here, because the first thing you're going to want to put in IP address. However, you're going to type in IP access ACCESS hyphen group. And what was our list? Group 10. And this one we're denying on out. There we go. Well, we've done it. So what do we want to do now? We want to actually see if it's blocking. So we'll come over here and we'll grab a packet. We'll go ahead and automate it. And we want to see if packet will travel all the way through and block, and the packet here should turn red. So we'll go to automation. We'll grab a packet. Just come down here and make sure we've deleted everything. Come down here and grab a packet. We're sending it over here, and we will autoplay it. Capture play, automatic. Turned red and went back out, didn't it? Didn't happen, did it? Next thing we want to try is, we'll delete those. We'll grab another packet. We'll go from here to here. Forward it out. She's going great, ain't she? Exactly the way you want it to go. Now watch what happens. Uh-oh. It got denied. The ACL, the access control list, denied it here on the incoming. So what does that mean to you guys? Well, first of all, understanding a little bit about access control lists is really important. You're going to see access control lists, and no matter what exam or test you're going to be doing at your school or online for CompTIA, they'll ask you some questions about access control lists on Security Plus exams. There's a lot of different aspects to it, but we just covered a real simple deny. But reading the whole chapter and doing as much research on access control lists is really important to understanding them. This is just a very, very simple, very basic access control list example. Thank you for watching our video.